Hey guys, come spend the weekend with me. Guys, I got my car washed really quickly, then off to do my hair. Guys, I finished my hair. Then off to do my nails, did the toes, I got a scrub. Ooh, my husband cooked dinner, y'all. It was so amazing and yummy. Then I went off to go get my wax because you know I had to. Look at me doing my makeup because we're going out to dinner here. Ooh, outfit of the day. Ooh, cute. We went to K-Pot. It was definitely yummy. Highly recommend. And then I finished it off recording another video for you guys. So make sure you check it out. And don't forget to come back.